Welcome to Learnscoutsbsa.com. Today we'll be going over the square knot. Now the square knot is mostly used for first aid in that it's tied in all the bandaging, all the cravats for splinting and whatnot. Another use for it is that it joins ropes. So we have a right and we have a left side. Now this right hand side, this side is going to be doing all the work. So remember that. It's this side of the rope that's doing all the work. So we're going to crisscross them over and we're going to fold that side over. See, now it becomes the left side. Remember, this one's doing all the work. So now we're going to crisscross again and fold it under. It's always crisscross, fold under, right? Right over left, left over right. There you go, a perfect square knot. All right, so let's go back over those uses. Remember, it's known as the first aid knot. So it's used in all the first aid, and it's also used to join ropes. Learn more at learnscoutsbsa.com.